Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're gonna show you how to add yourself to any photo by Snapseed editing. So this is very easy. First, you gotta open your Snapseed, and then in here I'm gonna use these two photos for example. First, the background photo is the Eiffel Tower, and then you go to double exposure. So in here, you're gonna add the photo of yourself. I'm gonna pick this and then edit it to the size that you want and to the position that you want. Take the opacity to the highest and then use the brush. To just draw back you in the photo. I'm gonna speed this up because this is quite boring. I'm gonna edit a little more on the edges. And you're done. If you are satisfied with it, you can export the photo already. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.